Rosetta, ties have been so hard. I feel like I have no one to talk to.
Oh my goodness. Babe, maybe you should consider seeing a therapist. I think it's very beneficial for people to see a therapist. And I know in the African American community and West Indian communities, it's kind of frowned upon because they feel as though just pray about it and it'll fix everything. And I'm all here for prayers. But sometimes I feel like some people need to go to someone else and speak about their problems because, yes, it's nice to speak to like family or friends, but sometimes you may feel like it's a burden that you're coming to them all the time about like the same problems and the same issues. Whereas if you go to someone like a counselor or a therapist, you know, it's someone new. It's someone who you know is not going to judge you. Not saying that you think your friends and your family are going to judge you, but you may think that you're tiring them out. Like, I'm a firm believer, like, if you're in a relationship and things are not going well and you just feel like there's nothing you can do and you feel like you really want to be with that person, go to counseling. Like, go to it. They're here for a reason. It's nothing to be embarrassed about. It's something that people really need to start doing more often because, as I said before, like, there are people who really will not understand what you're going through. Like, they just don't get it, and they're just going to say things as comfort. But you need someone who understands, who been through what you've been through, who can help you, who can help guide you through all of this stuff that you're going through. So like I said, I think it's very important. It's very beneficial. Like, if you feel like you have no one else to go to about your problems, seek a therapist, seek a counselor, seek a shrink, whatever. Do it to help you because I guarantee it, you're going to feel much better and you're going to be happy that you did it. But guys, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see and you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh yeah, and hit that bell for my notifications too. Thank you for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah.